Are you ready to take your faceless YouTube channel to the next level with realistic AI avatars? If you're tired of struggling with green screens, lip-syncing issues, or finding costly solutions, I've got something exciting for you today. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning AI avatars for free, even using just your phone. Plus, I'll guide you through the process of enhancing image quality, animating your avatar, and even removing watermarks, all with tools that are totally free and easy to use. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create professional, eye-catching AI avatars that will make your content pop. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first. Open up a browser on your mobile device or PC and go to Leonardo.ai. Now, the best part about Leonardo.ai is that you get 150 free tokens to start generating your images, no payment required. Just head over to the Image Creation tab and you'll see several presets on the left side to choose from, each offering a unique style. I'm going to go with the Cinematic Kino preset because I love the dramatic vibe it gives. Then I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9, perfect for YouTube content. Now in the text box, type in your prompt. You can find the exact prompt I'm using in the description below, so don't worry about missing anything. Once you've got that ready, click Generate, and within moments you'll see 4 generated images. I personally love this one, so I'll hit the download button and save it to my system. Next up, we need to enhance the quality of your generated image to make it look super crisp and professional. For that, we're going to use Krea.ai. Go to Krea.ai, click on the Enhancer tab, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, double-click on the big plus icon to upload your AI-generated image. Now click on Enhance. It'll only take a few minutes, but you'll notice a huge difference in quality. Use the slider to compare the original with the enhanced version, and when you're happy with the result, hit Download to save your image. With this, you're all set with a high-quality professional avatar image. Step 3. Animating your avatar with Dubdub.ai. Alright, now comes the fun part, animating your avatar. For this, we're going to use Dubdub.ai. Simply go to Dubdub.ai, upload your enhanced image, and then you have the option to either generate an AI voiceover directly from Dubdub.ai or upload your own custom voiceover. For this example, I'm uploading my own voiceover. Once uploaded, click on Generate Talking Avatar and hit Generate again. It'll take a few minutes, but once the avatar is ready, you'll be able to preview the animation. Pretty cool, right? And here's a major perk. There's no watermark on the final video, which makes it so much cleaner for your content. But wait, let's talk about a potential issue. What if Dubdub.ai starts putting a watermark on these avatars in the future? Well, no worries. I've got you covered. For example, if you encounter a watermark on your AI-generated video, it's super simple to remove it using editing software. I'm using CapCut for this, but you can do this on any editing platform, even mobile apps. Here's how. Drag your AI avatar video onto the timeline, then drag your channel's logo or any subscribe button image underneath the video layer. Make sure both the image and video are the same size. After that, your video will be ready without the Dubdub.ai logo. And there you have it. Realistic AI avatars created from scratch and ready to rock your faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're using a PC or your mobile phone, these tools are free, easy to use, and will help you make professional quality avatars that will grab attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Grow with ESA for more awesome tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.
If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.